If you find it's too difficult to install your FlySight just using your fingers, you can use a pull-up cord. The procedure is very similar. So first, check the ring for signs of wear. If this rubber ring is worn, replace it immediately. Install your FlySight and pull on this button a little bit and flip it upside down. Now you're going to take a pull-up cord and put it through the rubber ring. Then you're going to use that to pull the ring up and over and wrap it around the little plastic button. Flip the button through the ring, pinch it so that the edges are parallel. Now this part you want to remove the pull-up cord, but sort of like when you're removing the pull-up cord from your closing loop, make sure that you're not introducing wear on this rubber ring. So pull it to the side so it's out from under the button, and then you should be able to pull it through nice and slowly, and you're done.